What is up, Bad Bassin fam? Coming at you with another Decker Lake report, guys. This time I had Aaron from Central Texas Outdoors. Had him on the boat with me. It's been a while since we'd fished together. We got out on Decker and do what we usually do, guys. We go to usual spots. We go and fish productive areas that have paid off in the past. If they don't work that day, we switch spots or we switch baits on the spots. So watching this, guys, these videos will help you catch more fish on Decker Lake. That is the point of these videos. It's not to not show you what's going on. It's to help you catch fish on Decker Lake, right? So I hope y'all enjoy this episode, and I'll be back with y'all shortly.
Gonna start this morning off with a little frog fish, a little derp frog fish. He's like literally got a huge knot head, hunchback, no body, crooked ass dick looking motherfucker. Oh, stupid ass shit. He right, nasty ass looking bitch ass face ass motherfucker. Let's turn the flash on. He's like, dude, yeah, you're talking so much shit on my hood. Man, it hasn't even daylight yet. God damn, frog fishing this morning. Let's get it. Woo! That's perfect, beautiful shallow cast. I had to catch the only piece of topwater grass. Ooh, there's one.
Yeah? You got him?
Yeah.
On what?
Crankbait.
Okay.
It's a little fun. I mean, like, oh, there they are again. Aaron, cast right there. This thing's little. Who gives a shit about this thing?
Opened up.
It's a fucking hook finger fish if I've ever seen one.
Yeah?
He's so fat.
Oh my god.
Little crazy pants. Yeah, we're gonna start stirring them up here in a second, bro.
Ever hit a frogfish out in the middle of the fucking water chasing bait. Hey, I don't know why I keep fucking tossing a frog.
Alright, why we always try that same shit?
You're like, I know I'm right and this is right.
I do it all the time. I don't catch them ever. I don't catch them either on it, but I do it all the time. Like constantly, bro. Like clockwork. I'm like, ooh, give me the frog rod. Nope. There we go. That's a good one. The net I don't bring for some reason ever anymore. I'm going fishing and I don't bring fucking net. Dude, this is a good one. Stay down. Looked like he ate it pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. This is a good fish. I'm just gonna play him, dog. Yeah, that's like a 4-pounder.
Hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah.
Dude, these fish are so strong. Yeah, she's got some hooks in her. That's what's up. Yeah, that's a 3 and some change. That's what's up. Take that. We take that, baby. Woo! Let's get it, dude. Oh, you were hooked, girl. I like that. I like that. Alright, guys. Fish number 3 or 4. Maybe 4, something like that. good fish. Already done it spawning, its tail's all fucked up. But that's what I'm talking about right there. Let's go. Little crankbait fish. There. Oh, he's gonna eat it again.
That would be hilarious, dude.
Dude, look at him. He's about to do some. Oh, I thought he was about to do some acrobatics. He kept doing that little, I'm coming for you. Yeah.
I'm coming up.
Right? So your body started. Coming up. I'm coming. Come on, the daddy needs a donkey. And me an absolute goddamn toad.
Hell yeah.
That's a good one. I got some. Oh, dude, this dude's a psychopath. Dude, I hammered his dong, bro.
What happened?
Oh, he's good. Frog.
Frog?
The reeling frog, yeah. I
Oh my
fucking,
God, bro.
I fucking put that dick on him.
I can't wait.
Oh, why you hurt me? The braid in my hand. It was like. Oh, hello, Mr. Reeling Scum Frog. See, that one's got some girth on her. Not a giant, but she's got some fatness here. Dude, I plugged her ass here. Look at that, choked it. 2 and some change, like a 2.5 pounder. But it's always fun on the little Scum reeling frog. It's got little kicker legs on it. That's sick. Yes. Remember that song? Later, Gator.
That's awesome. Oh, half. He wasn't holding himself. So I was like, this one's gonna get stuck for good if it gets stuck.
Yeah.
Sure enough,
It's stuck for good.
I thought there was a fish on it. Not like a frog.
Oh, I got a fish. Oh, it's a good baby too.
Oh,
What happened?
it busted off. Oh shit, good one?
Yeah.
On a drop shot?
Wacky rig drop shot.
Yeah. Oh, good. Dear Lord, that was good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Out in the middle.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
That's pipey, that's a good fish.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, dude. He's a decent one. This might be the best fish all day. Yeah. The wacky rig drop shot, dude.
Yeah, I gotta get that set back there. You know what? Actually, not on this one. I'm set up on another rod.
Oh, dude, he's good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, grab him for me. Hell yeah.
Dude, you got. I already got him in the fucking tongue, bro.
That's a decent one.
Legit.
Hell yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, you smoked it, bud, huh? There we go. Hell yeah.
How I want the worms.
Fuck yeah, guys. Well, we've been silent for about 2 hours, guys. Hadn't caught shit. Hadn't had a nibble. All we did was get soaking wet. And now we're catching them on a drop shot wacky rig. Here's one of those worms. You want one? It's like that grass candy color. And now all of a sudden, catch them on a fucking drop shot. So, went from power fishing this morning, top water, frogs, all kinds of fun shit to this. But we'll take it. Catch them any way we can. Finally figured out another way to catch them where they started biting again. Yeah, we're recording. Oh yeah. Just a little wacky tobacco hook. He smoked that shit.
Alright guys, so you got to see what happened. They wanted to eat some the frog a little bit. I didn't catch two before. I did catch two before I even started filming when it was dark. I also somehow didn't catch a couple of the other frog fish I caught on camera, but it was just coming down. And you know, the little clips you see are me when it's not raining, guys. The rest of the time it was coming down, and I just couldn't get the fish to bite while it was like pouring rain. I don't know what it was, but I couldn't get them to eat. But if you enjoy these videos, guys, definitely hit the subscribe button. Join the Bad Bassin fam. We're on our way to 1K, like 1,000 subscribers. That's just dope to me. We can get it done too. I see y'all are enjoying the last couple videos I put back out, so I'm making sure I put up more videos for you at least once a week, guys. And yeah, next video should be another Decker report. We're gonna hit Lake Travis up, hope maybe fish one of the Tuesday nighter TTCs. Y'all want to see that? Comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bad Bassin out.